My name is Rob Nee, and I am producer, chef, and creator of the Sweet Spot Kitchen channel on YouTube. The channel basically provides videos where I have a little bit of fun and we make some delicious recipes. My story with baking goes back a long way. Some of my fondest memories are being in the kitchen with my mom when she would make cakes, birthday cakes or what have you, watching her with the mixing bowl and getting to lick the beaters. And I remember, my mom always corrected me, but I remember calling flour powder. Mom, put in more powder. Those memories still stick with me. Starting a channel on YouTube seems so simple. Simply make some video and upload it and your audience will come raving after you. In reality, that is not the case, or it hasn't been for me. First, I had to learn what does editing video really mean other than holding a camera up or a phone up and recording. You worry about lighting, you worry about sound, you actually have to make this interesting. You have to edit, well, I found you have to edit the thing to death to make it as short as possible so you keep your audience. You have to come up with a title, you have thumbnails, you have to have descriptions and keywords. It's quite a bit. It's been a discovery since I had no experience previously. Having a YouTube channel is leaving me full of surprises. One, it's a delight actually when you have a little bit of a hit and you have thousands of views for a particular video that doesn't seem any different than the one before other than a different recipe. And one of the disappointing surprises is some of the negative comments. The comments can be unbelievably rude. But lucky for me, I guess, the kind comments I get, the people that you don't know who they are, you've never met them, you'll never see them, but they leave some really heartfelt comments saying they laughed the whole way, which by the way is intentional, or my passion for cooking comes through, which I have a passion for cooking, so it's nice that it comes through. I really enjoy it. My recipe for success for a YouTube video is I like to have some sort of gimmick, a video gimmick or a transition or me jumping through the air, something just add a little magic to it. But the real trick is getting a recipe that is a wonderful recipe, that as you bake it, as you cook it, as it sets up, that in the end you have something that looks delicious, but more importantly, it tastes good. My favorite recipes tend to be very simplistic, few ingredients, just an amazing amount of flavor and deliciousness coming through by some simple techniques that catch people by surprise of how good something can be despite how easy it is to make. So Sweet Spot Kitchen on YouTube's been around for over 5 years. And this past summer, 5 years into this, one of my not so recent videos, the cast iron pan pizza video as a matter of fact, it took off. I was hitting 9,000 views a day on the channel. That's up from, other than after a new release, that's up from 300 views a day. I mean, that's 30 times the number of views. I mean, I was feeling so good. I got over 1,000 subscribers in 1 month, and even after 5 years, I'm only a little over 5,000. I'd like to re-achieve that more often. Of course, why not? Maybe it was the thumbnail, maybe it was the pizza. In fact, people love pizza. Maybe it was just a great video. I'm not sure. You can find Sweet Spot Kitchen on YouTube. That's my focus. You can find me on Instagram. I'm hoping to grow that a little bit. TikTok, a couple of videos, but I haven't found it worth it. My focus is definitely on YouTube, Sweet Spot Kitchen.